So we're going to work out an example now, since we've learned how to construct parallel lines using GeoGebra, to construct a quadrilateral with both pairs of sides parallel, or a parallelogram. Yes, this could be a square or it could be a rectangle, but it doesn't have to be that specific. So we're going to start with what we're given for parallel lines is a line and a random point. Now we can go through the constructions to construct a parallel line to line AB through point C. First step, again, is construct that line through C, intersecting the other line. Use our circle tools to construct some arcs and find some intersections to be able to make an angle for us. And again, using the compass tool, our radius was AD and we want that circle at C, or our arc, so we know where to put our intersection right there. And again, draw our circle to figure out the distance between D and E, sorry. And again, we want to circle that same size, so radius DE through point and centered at F. So we can find that intersection and be able to finally draw our parallel line. So now we have line CG that's parallel to AB. Well, that's great, but our goal is to construct a quadrilateral, a parallelogram. Well, we've got another point here. We've already got another line, AC. So why don't we go ahead and construct a line parallel to B, or to AC through B. Well, we've already got the arcs drawn over here. We just need to create that same angle as FCG and DAE, but at point B. So mostly we're just going to use the compass tool to create a circle. Again, that radius was AD. We need that centered at B. So we can find the intersection right there. Again, we want the angle to be the same, but we want that angle to be in the same position. Now again, we need our compass setting. We need the compass set for the same distance between D and E. And we need that at H this time, so we can figure out our other point right there. So our intersection. Now we need to complete that congruent angle construction IBH. And this line BI will give us a line parallel to AC through B. Now we wanted that parallelogram, and we're just missing one thing: the point of intersection of these two parallel lines. So now we've constructed our quadrilateral CABJ, and that is a parallelogram. Now the great thing about GeoGebra is that we are able to move points around after we do constructions like this, and they will stay where they need to be. And it will stay as a parallelogram. So have fun creating your own parallelograms. You do not have to use the same points in the same positions as I did. Have some fun, play around with it, and see what kind of parallelograms you can come up with.